In today's video, we are going to change the wheel bearing. We are working on Smart Roadster, but it's all the same for all 450, 451, 52 and 53 models. It's pretty much the same for all vehicles, but for all cars, but we are specifically doing it on Smart Roadster. Make sure that your car is secured. Always double check it. And the first thing we will do is to loosen the wheel screws. We are going to raise our car to take the wheel off. It's always good idea to take your hand gloves to protect your hands. Right there, I'm showing you the way of losing bolts of distancers with leverage. And now we need to remove this cap, the brake cylinder, the bolt
and the bolt
or screw of the disc, and two screws from the back that holds the brake cylinder. So we will start with this disc screw. Again, we are putting some leverage and unscrew the screw. This screw is a lot of times stuck, so this is the first thing I want to remove.
T30.
And happily it was easy. Right now, turn your wheel to the left, so now you have more space to work to unscrew the screws that holds brake cylinder. This is the two screws from the back,
One right there.
one down and one up.
Is up.
that we need to unscrew.
It's a T8.
Okay, now we need to make some space between brake pads to remove brake cylinder from the disc. So this is what I'm doing to make it.
It is.
Okay, now you can remove it, and this is free to remove.
So this is it.
I want to tie my brake cylinder to the spring to make sure it will not fall and break something.
Okay, so sure.
Okay, now I need to remove the cap. Just take small steps and take your time. Remove the bearing. Don't forget to put O-ring on the screw. And now all you need to do is make the same steps in reverse.